So I'm looking at coin here on a weekly chart, and let's go to the one that doesn't have the squeeze on it. Okay, and let's take this out of here. So you have the Anchor VWAP, this green line here. It's green because it's above. So I just made it green manually, but the IPO week, so that did act as resistance, pulled back and broke above it, and made a nice little run. And now you pulled back and you held pretty well above it here. So that could be considered. It's still it's in an uptrend. It's bullish. It pulled back on lighter volume. Now you would have wanted to see this close above this red line here, which is the Anchor VWAP from the recent swing high, like MSTR did, right? So that's a pretty strong. Buyers are back. It's a buy signal. Now, what's it going to do next week? So if it breaks above this high, you could take it and probably do a smaller position. It's volatile. It's ADR of almost 6. So give it some room to breathe, and then maybe you could add if it breaks above this high. But this is definitely showing more strength than coin, MSTR, and Mara. Mara's another one. But just finishing out coin here. So if you look at it, let's look at this. Let's get this one out of here. Look at this from the swing low. It never closed below it. So it's just showing you there that, it doesn't want to go lower. People are holding on to it. So there's a lot of uncertainty with the US dollar, what's happening with all the money printing that's going on, inflation, etc. But there's also the belief that Bitcoin is bullshit. So, I don't know. Like right now, it's not. There's no clear. It's like just giving you a heads up. Like, hey, we're still in an uptrend, still holding above this low here, and just like we did, as we broke above it, got rejected, came back, and then broke above this here and held. So you could have started a position there, and you could start a position if it breaks above next week here, and you get some volume coming in. That would be one way to do it, or you can just wait for the highs to break. But I would look more at MSTR as over coin as a setup.